John and Olivia exchanged sweets. First, John gave Olivia as many sweets as Olivia had. Then Olivia gave John as many sweets as John had after the first exchange. After these two exchanges, each had four sweets. How many sweets did John have at the beginning? These are the following options that we have. So let's see. The only information that we currently have is the number of sweets that they have after the second exchange. So this is the following table which states the sweets they started with, the sweets they had at the end of first exchange and the sweets they had at the second exchange. So the total number of sweets are 8, that will remain the same. So we know that Olivia has as many as John had. So the sweets of John have been doubled after the second exchange. So we can cut it by the half and conclude that John had two sweets after the first exchange. Now that we know John's sweet and we know a total of we have 8 sweets. So we can conclude that 8 minus 2 will be 6. Thus Olivia had 6 sweets at the end of first exchange. And we also have a information that John gave Olivia as many sweets as he had. So the number of sweets of Olivia have doubled after the first exchange. So we can also cut it by half and that will be 3. So now that we know the number of sweets Olivia had and total number of sweets, we can subtract it and find the number of sweets John had. So that will be 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So John had 5 sweets. So the correct option for this question will be option B. Thank you.